I wish I could have an epiphany like Newton did.
What's an epiphany, Ali?
An epiphany is like a sudden realization or understanding of something important. It's like when you suddenly understand a puzzle or a difficult math problem you have been stuck on.
But why is it important?
Well, an epiphany can change your life. It can help you see things in a new way, find solutions to problems, or even discover something amazing like Newton did.
Wow, that's so cool.
Can anyone have an epiphany?
Absolutely. Anyone can have an epiphany anytime, anywhere. You just need to be open to new ideas and ready to learn.
I want to have an epiphany too.
Then let's go explore and learn new things. Who knows? We might have our own great epiphanies someday.